y'all, welcome back to my channel. As y'all already know, it's Smileyy with 2 Y's. If it ain't 2 Y's, then it ain't me. And this is my first video of 2022. So let me tell you something. It's Smileyy with 2 Y's, and the 2 is for 2 months. Period. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to achieve some type of styles with old straightened hair. As y'all can see, this is what my hair is looking like. And now it's getting frizzy because it's raining where I'm at, or you know, sometimes I get a little lazy, but that's nor here nor there. So let's go ahead and get into this video.
I should've came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be with no sense, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of those things, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go, away, can't keep us holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. Still believe it. Good days always inside. Good days living through my mind. Oh, me on my fears, my limitations are disappear. If you live, you feel like Jericho, feel like Joe. We lost this shit, gotta hold my own course to be alone. Way to kill the fool. No, you like that shit, can't prove it, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I gotta keep it loose in the best of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, yeah. Can't find reason, no sense, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of those things, got me a war in my mind. Let go, can't keep us holding me. Gotta get right, tryna free my mind before the end of the world. I don't miss no ex, I don't miss no text. I choose not to respond. I don't regret, just pretend it should never happen. Half of us lay in place that argue, it's in the present. Half of us chasing fountains with you, then it's in the present. What you talking about? You changed your mind. Didn't I treat you right? Find your way to my heart, now you been on like you don't. Wanna be around, can't spend much time. Boy, you better recognize. Little money in your pocket, now you chicken talking to me like you winning. I was there when you needed me the most, so I'm in my feelings. I'm ashamed of the way I feel, and you know it's killing my pride, wasting my time. Ain't no so bad. Find your way to my heart, now you been like don't. Wanna be around, don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me. Don't. Wanna be around, don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me. Don't. Wanna be around, don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me. Don't. Wanna be around, don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you I don't move it, own it. Time, money, you stay on it. I don't move it, own it. Time, money, I don't move it, own it. Time, money, you stay on it. I don't move it, own it. I don't own it. Time, money, you ain't thinking straight, you a fool, boy, you lost one. Sing my love for you, you know what to do. You ain't thinking straight, you a fool, boy, you lost one. Sing my love for you, you know what to do. You ain't thinking straight, you a fool, boy, you lost one. Sing my love for you, you know what to do. You ain't thinking straight, you a fool, boy, you lost one. Sing my love for you, you know what to do. All up in your face, still can see I'm the right one. That's too bad for you, hers was bad for you. Don't wanna be around, don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me. Don't wanna be around, don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me. Don't wanna be around, don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me. Don't wanna be around, don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me. Don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me. Don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me. Don't wanna be around, don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me. Don't. Spend my time, better rec. Little money in your pay, you chicken talking to me.
I should be downtown whipping on the way to you. You got something that belongs to me. Your body language says it all. Despite the things you said to me. Who is it just got you all gassed up? Yeah. Changing your opinion on me. I was only gone for the last few months, but you don't have the time to wait on me. Yeah. I tried with you. It's more to like to sleeping than to getting high with you.
Okay, you guys, so that wraps it up for this video. I feel like I gave y'all enough styles. I could have kept it going, but like I said, that was enough for right now. If you would like to see me do a part 2, comment that down below, because the girl got more styles, but I didn't want to give y'all everything in this video, and like I said, I did not want to hold y'all up. As y'all were able to see, a lot of the styles that I did do, they were like, you can always turn that style into a different style. You get what I'm saying? So like, let's think smarter, not harder, right? If you would like a part 2 with wet hair on curly hair, because y'all know I don't straighten my hair as often, so like, yeah. Also, with each and every style, you can also accessorize it however you like. The pins wasn't really working out for me, because yeah, I usually don't be doing that. Don't forget to like the video, if you did like the video. And don't forget to share this video with the person sitting right beside you. Also, comment down your favorite look in the description box. Thanks for tuning into this video, and I will catch y'all in my next video.